gents. Welcome back to another episode of On Rack. Anyways, it's been a while. I have not done a Johnny's walk around in a long time. So I feel it's time to go to Johnny's and walk around in the adult playground of cars and automotive parts. So let's go do it. So yes, I was in the middle of filming my last episode, and I thought, I'm up in this area, I might as well go to Johnny's and look around. So that's what we're gonna do. And I have the drone, and it's not raining at the moment. It was windy earlier, but it kind of calmed down. So it might be time to fly the drone over Johnny's, if they let me. If they let me. I don't know if they'll let me or not. It might be pretty packed. I don't know if they'll want that happening. So we'll see when we get there. The infamous tunnel. Oh, the son of a... I guess I might have to gas it going through here. Ain't that cold out. Tell you what I'm looking for, folks. I really need nothing. So I'm looking in these older cars. I kind of want to find a radio. And normally, an older car, when radio goes out, they put an aftermarket in. So I did find one already. It was a Kenwood, an older one. I was kind of looking for Bluetooth radios because they tend to be nicer. But yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. They gave me free reign to run the drone wherever I wanted. They said that was fine. And there are some imports down here in the domestic yard. I also find that the vehicles that are not that common, that people don't look over, normally still have a stereo in them. So I'm going to look in some of these old Intrepids and Tauruses and stuff like that, and the Buicks and stuff, and see if there's any stereos in any of them. And then we're going to go up to the import yard and look around. You have people like this. Oh, I was about to say, that steal the deck. This thing's missing the knob, but is it Bluetooth? No, it's not. It's just an old Pioneer. Old Pioneer with the buttons missing. Darn it. Yeah, that's not really worth anything to me. There is a Kenwood and that Ford Escort over there. This is the one right beside the Kenwood one. It's a Pioneer, and it does have auxiliary outputs. That was the only thing. At least Bluetooth, if not audio. That's an old Pioneer. I'm probably gonna let it go. You guys know I'm not a Ford guy at all whatsoever. But this old Thunderbird is very clean. Well, I mean, the door's kind of bowed out. The rockers are missing. Some dents on that side. But look at the hood on that. It does have a little work in the corner there. It needs redone, but nice door on this side. And on top of that, it says it runs. That is a clean 4.6 liter in this thing. It's a good motor for somebody. If you guys have not heard one of these Lexus engines souped up, they sound amazing. This engine has 138,000 miles on it, and it runs like I want it. I don't know what I'd put it in, but I kind of want it. Way to go, Todd. Yeah, they don't have any of these here, Johnny's. Complete front end. Yeah. Back seats are gone. Yep, it's all there. Why didn't they have this here when I was doing this? It's got the door cladding that was missing some of the side skirt parts. A full engine. The top has a tear in it. But yeah, there's a whole side skirt I needed. Wow. There is a car at the bottom of this yard I have to show you guys. It has 641,000 miles on it, I thought. Brand new paint job. I had to show it to you, and it's a runner. $621,000 miles on it. Look at the freaking paint. It's pearl paint. That's a new paint job. The engine. Somebody loved this car. freaking interior on this thing. It's so nice. Somebody wrapped the center console in carbon fiber. Alright guys, so I actually got nothing today. But the inventory's always changing and I haven't been up there in weeks. And everything's so different. It's always different when I go there. So, and they had the parts I freaking needed. Should have went there first. But he did say that Zion was new. Zion! I saw 2 people that watched my videos while I was there. So it's not just Coke part now. Me bringing Johnny's business. There's people that watch a lot of the Johnny's videos. Got some awesome drone footage today. Really happy with how. And I bumped my cart with the drone. Did not wreck it, but I bumped it. I was scared for a second. But yeah, so it was pretty awesome today. Oh, tunnel. Yeah, they let me have free reign up there videoing, and it's always fun to video while I'm up there. There's so many good shots and new vehicles. And how about that 3000 GT? I just want one. That's all. I want one in really good condition though. That's asking a lot. And then they have 2 Eclipses there now, both convertibles. The tops were shot, but still, I had Eclipses there. So it's always a good time, and I had fun. But now I got to go home to finish the Scion. I know this episode's after the finale, but it's actually before. I can't really explain it, but yeah, you get it. You ever accidentally stop at Harbor Freight? I just did. I don't know how it happened. But anyways, it was awesome getting to see a couple fans. I mean, one was he was just like, "Oh, you have a YouTube channel, don't you?" He goes, "I think I've seen it before," and that was it. The other guy was like, "Yeah, man, I watch all the time." So that was kind of cool. But anyways, that's going to be the end of this episode. I just wanted to take you guys along for Johnny's trip. I hope you guys like it and you appreciate the footage. If you haven't yet, go check out some of my old videos, some of my old builds. I got some cool ones back there, some stuff I'm really proud of. I have lots of videos. Lots. So, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next episode.